So I'm on the hunt for the best cordless vacuum cleaner for a car. And we're going to see if the DeWalt one's going to work okay. It does come with 2 attachments. They store on here. It takes the DeWalt battery here. Simple to use. Simply turn it on. It's working pretty good, actually. Whoops. That did come off, but it's not getting that stuff right there. Let's try the crevice tool. That works a little bit better. Let's see if I can set it on the ground with the hose. Now that crevice tool isn't super long to go all the way down, but I can set it on the ground outside, whoops, and still use it. Okay, I got to do the back of the Tahoe. Here it is on the ground. Let's see if I can do it. I can go about that far. Hose is really stuck, but that's about as far as I can reach. So I do like that I can get that on the ground. That does want to slide off easy, so you got to kind of push it on and hold both. Now what I like about this, I can store the tools on board. This hose wraps around. It wraps around the bottom there. The batteries are easy to take on and off. They're not hard. As long as you can press this button on the battery, they slide on and off real easy. It's easy to operate. I can take that hose, put it on the exhaust if I want to turn it into a little blower. It just simply quarter turn, and then you can put it over here. Now you do get a lot of air coming out of there. It is a little on the noisy side. Again, that's onboard tool storage. It does have a HEPA filter. This might be the one. You can do wet dry. If you take that HEPA filter off, you can do wet. It's not super heavy. Most of the weight comes from the battery. The DeWalt DCV580H. So be sure to check out my website, justadadapproved.com, where you can find all of the vacuum cleaners that I approve of. Justadadapproved.com. I did purchase this with my own money. I wasn't paid for this video. I have purchased over 50 cordless vacuum cleaners looking for the best one for a vehicle. And unfortunately, the smaller ones are just hard to use and don't do a very good job. But so far, so good. I got to do a lot more testing. See the final results at justadadapproved.com. If you purchase this product using one of my links on my website or in this video, I am an Amazon affiliate. The product's not going to cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. This is Home of the Honest Review. I bought this with my own money and I wasn't paid for this video. If you could, please like, subscribe, and thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.